Welcome back to my channel. The first to appear here is the elusive Greycat, then closely followed by our favourite young lady, Podge. For those of you that are new here, Podge is blind. Greycat was born in the garden about 18 months ago, along with his brother and sister. Sadly, I don't have those two now. He's always around, but he never joins in. I don't know what he does, to be honest. Podge, on the other hand, is always available for videos. She's great to have around. She's one of those cats that is just friends with everyone. I'm getting alright with Greycat now, but it took a year or so to get to know him. Same with Podge. She was more standoffish to start with, but then, no, we're fine now. Now this is Dodger. You've seen Dodger before when she escorted one of the stray cats off of the terrace. She wasn't born in the garden, but she lives in the garden. She only comes in of a morning and an evening for food, and then she's off again. She likes to play, but the one-eyed cats are always nervous, they're always on edge. Never really let themselves relax. Shame, because she does enjoy herself when the others are out.
Epa.